You can also download out custom fonts from the internet and then install it onto your system so that you can use it with different applications. So for an example, I'm just going to go around and you can see that I have already opened up a website here called fontspace.com. So you can set around for different fonts as you like. So here you can see that there are some fonts that I can download and install onto my computer. So let's say I want to go around and use the Attack Graffiti font right here. So let me just go around over here and click on download. So this is a free font that you can download. Some of the fonts are paid as well. So I'm just going to go around and open up the file, and here you can see that there's CTF format right here. So let me just double click on this, and here you can see the font right here. At this point, you can close out everything, and in order for you to install this font onto your computer, you can click on install right here. So once you install, what happens is that the Attack Graffiti font gets installed on your computer, and now you will be able to use this with different applications inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So I'm just going to go around and close this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the start menu right here and type in WordPad. So once I go around and open this out, you can see that right now, if I were to type it, you can see that it uses Calibri as a font. But we have just installed out a font, so we can just select this out. And now what we can do is we can go around and type in Attack right here. So we can just go around, select out the Attack Graffiti right here from this place right here, or you can go around, type in Attack right here. So let me just go around Attack. I guess that is not the name right here, so let me just scroll up. So there's a Attack Graffiti. So once I do that, you can see that this font is being used now. So if I were to type in ABCD right here, you can see that this is the font right here, and as I type over here, you can see that it is using the font that I downloaded and installed onto my system. And that is how you can download and install out fonts from web inside of Microsoft Windows 11 for it to get used in different applications. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.